Yo, what is good, people? Ben from Lover of Tech. We are back for another unboxing video, but this isn't the usual. This is something different. So let me not waste time. Let me just bring it straight up. Wave panels from Elgato. Firstly, shout out to Elgato for reaching out, man, and sending these wave panels, sound dampening panels, sound foams in. Not my usual thing, but you know what? As someone that's really, I'm always trying to improve my production in any way, shape or form when it comes to lighting, audio, and when it comes to video, which is what I predominantly do on the channel. You know, very interesting to actually have these, which are actually my first sound panels. So yeah, my acoustic treatment foam. And I believe these are Elgato's first ones to be released. I actually don't have that much information on it when it comes to price. When the video goes live, I will update it and I will try and give like my overall impressions and review on it and how pretty much to set it up and whatnot. But we're gonna look at this box. And it's a big one. It's almost taking up most of the table. Wave panels. Flip this up and see what it says. And it says wave panels. This is Elgato's logo. Obviously. Logo. Then we've got the acoustic treatment foam. This is what it is really. So when we turn it over here to the top, we'll have a look. What is this? It's even covering all my face, but yeah, we've got the top down and both. It says get creative, and you can pretty much see the hex shape and the formations of how you can place in, you know, whichever way that you want to really give you the best treatment for your sound to pretty much stop reverb and echo. Sound foam and treatment is to stop reverb and echo. That's the main thing, to give you cleaner sound. And yes, you may be in a place where you're getting good sound treatment or decent sound treatment because there's objects that's stopping echo and reverb, but this is to really help, you know, treat that even more. So it's kind of trying to give you that sound booth experience where it's really isolated sound and your pickup pattern is really to the source, the microphone as well as your voice, which I actually can't wait to set up in the room that I'm in right now. So what it has is dual density construction, absorbs a wider frequency range. Okay, interesting. So it says low density ripple foam dampens high frequencies. Cool. High density fiber backing attenuates low end mid frequencies. Okay, interesting. Tells you the dimensions here. It's a hex shape. And what do we have here? It says 3 wave panels. All right, so it's 3 that we get in here. In the box, you get 3 wave panels design A, 3 wave panels design B, core, 6 click easy frames. Okay, comes with frames. Times 10 click easy connectors. Interesting. Times 12 screws and anchors. And then you've got 12 Tessa adhesive strips and a quick start guide. All right, so from the top, this is what we have here. And this is exclusive. This isn't even out yet. Easily create a professional acoustic environment. That's what it's there for. It's meant to give you that sound treatment to dampen. And again, to reduce room echo and reverberation. So echo and reverb. So optimize the audio quality of live broadcast and recordings. This is something I actually can't wait to do because I do a lot of weekly live streams, definitely powered by Elgato, man. My cam links, they're the ones that are really powering. And if you haven't seen the Tech and Chill show Unplugged, definitely go and check it. The multiple cameras I'm using are all powered with multiple Elgato Camlink 4Ks, and I've been using the Camlink since the 1080p version before they upgraded it. Enhance your stereo or surround sound listening experience, definitely. Easy click frames enable quick installation and removal. This is something I really want to get into in terms of the easy use. Assemble unique constructions and switch out colors with ease. Okay, interesting. Mount using the included adhesive strips or screws. Cool. Right, so that's pretty much, we've gone around each hex, what they are, which is obviously acoustic treatment foam. the different shapes and configurations that you can get creative with. The dual density construction, as stated, with the dimensions, the weight, the area of the panel, the weight per panel as well, 250 grams. Weight per frame, which is up to 50 grams. What's in the box, which we're gonna open and unbox. And the intended professional use and what it's meant to actually give, which is great to see. All right, let's get the unboxing knife. Wow. Again, big shout out to Elgato for reaching out, man. I wasn't going to do an unboxing, but I thought, let me do an unboxing to get my first raw impressions, because this is my first acoustic phone. Be careful. Eesh. Damn. Stubborn one. Okay, let's see how it looks in the box. Exclusive, yo. Exclusive. Okay. Put this on the side. This must be the quick start guide, obviously. No doubt there. Great, which gives you all the instructions that you need. I like that. That's great. Wow. Voila. Okay. Let's take these all out. Damn, I'm wrestling with it, and this is a big unboxing. Let's put this down to the side and let's look at the foams. And wow, okay. These really feel like high quality. Again, I don't have reference to other sound foam, acoustic foam panels. I don't. These are my first, so that's me just putting out there and being completely honest. But just in terms of first impressions of feeling it and holding it, these feel high quality. Again, although I don't have reference, these do feel like higher quality. So these are the dual density construction, and you've got all the holes and alignments, which I do believe will be going with the clips and the frames to make it easy to use with screws and adhesive. Nice, these are clutch. There's a clutch. Let me put this aside for the minute. I'll put one of them here just as reference, just so we've got it in frame. So we've got mountain, you've got the frames, really nice soft cloth-based packaging. You've got more frames, and you've got the clips. Cool. You've got a sound foam. Oh, this feels really nice. I will do an impressions and review on it once I've got it installed, and just, but this I think deserve just having to do an unboxing to really get something out there. Yeah, these feel the part. Okay, these feel nice. These feel nice. Although not having a reference, these do definitely feel nice. Quick look at the quick start guide. Tells you what you've got in there. 6x6, 3x3, 3x3, which they already come pre-put together. Yeah, they already come pre-put together, which is cool. Bam, bam, bam. Screws, adhesive, clips, assemble, and it says assemble, easy click frames. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. Mount on smooth wall, okay, which is fair. Gives you the instructions, pretty much. Mount to a tethered wall. Okay, so the adhesives would be for a smooth wall. On a textured wall, advise you use screws, which obviously makes sense. Easy click frames, which is great. And then get creative and enjoy. Okay, they've made it seem very simple. And in my review and my impressions, I'm gonna test it to see how simple and easy it is to really get it up. I can definitely really see that sound panels will go at the back here or there and pretty much get the treatment in. let's see how the clips look like. Try not to make this unboxing too long. Okay. So these are how the clips look like. Hopefully you can see it in the frame. Hopefully you're able to see it properly. It's quite dark. You've got the Elgato logo right in the middle there. Okay, cool. Don't want to lose any of the clips. I will have that set up. But I like how simple, obviously, the package is with the soft cloth. So when you're mounting, okay, so when you're mounting, this is where you get obviously the screws, the holes, as well as obviously the adhesives as well, which makes absolute sense. So, live unboxings for you, man. Cool. Let's put this away. Just so we don't lose any. Put this to the side. You got the frames, okay. Plastic construction, but it feels sturdy. Hopefully, great construction on them. Now plastic, which is to be expected. That's, I believe, pretty much it, because these are more frames. So it looks like everything that you need is in here, which is good to know, which is reassuring. Let's put these to the side quickly, come back to the phones, and then wrap this up. So yeah, you get 6 phones. Now, I'm hoping this is, I'll get more details on this when I do my first impressions as well as my full review. I believe this should be retail. I don't think these are the review, like reviewer samples. These should be what you get with the retail packaging. And so far with 6, it looks good. It feels good, although not having reference, they look the part, which I'm interested in having to, you know, put it around and give my impressions on it in terms of how it is when it gives treatment to audio in the room that I'm shooting in. Apart from that, man, that is it. The unboxing of the Elgato Wave panels. Elgato's first acoustic foam treatment panels. And again, a big shout out to them for sending them over. And I'm interested in obviously getting them set up, give my thoughts on it. And that's it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy unboxing videos like this, you know exactly what to do, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.